Hi, I'm Jordan, and Oswald Digestive Clinic truly changed my life. I'd been struggling for a number of months with severe bloating and discomfort. I was getting frustrated as I had done a lot of research, tried a bunch of different diets, anti-inflammatory, low FODMAP, you name it, tried all the over-the-counter stuff, and nothing was helping. At one point, I was bloated for 10 days in a row, and it was miserable. I finally talked to my doctor, who referred me to a gastroenterologist. Then I had to go through a number of tests. And finally, I was diagnosed with SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. The gastroenterologist prescribed me to a couple of different medications that I took 5 times a day for 2 weeks. It didn't really help. My symptoms got a little bit better, but not much, and I was still bloated and uncomfortable. The gastroenterologist said there wasn't much else that she could do for me. I was feeling extremely discouraged and frustrated. I talked to my aunt, who was a dietitian in Minnesota, and she mentioned that she had heard good things about Oswald Digestive Clinic. So I looked them up on Instagram, of course, and started following them. I loved the content they were posting, and it was very helpful information. I talked to Ashley, who was super nice and encouraged me to do a 30-minute consultation. When I spoke to Marcy for my consultation, I was immediately impressed. She was asking me all sorts of questions that none of the other doctors had even asked. She was clearly very knowledgeable on the subject, and she herself had experienced several of the same things that I was dealing with. One thing that was particularly frustrating is that the world of GI is not very well known. Most doctors are not aware of SIBO, and they didn't have much information to offer. So I was very pleasantly surprised when Ashley and Marcy were like, "Oh, SIBO, yeah, no problem, we deal with that all the time." That was very comforting for me to hear. In speaking with her, I decided this was probably my best chance to fix the SIBO. After the first call with Marcy, I immediately signed up for a package to try to get this SIBO under control. Marcy assessed all of my symptoms and gave me a lot of helpful information right off the bat. She gave me tips on not just what to eat, but when and how, and this helped immensely. I was feeling relief right away. She also recommended me to take a bunch of different supplements to try to clean out the bacteria in my gut. I really appreciated that she was mindful of not only my budget, but also my diet and lifestyle. Marcy gave me options of different supplements that I could take, that I could afford, and that were also vegan, which I appreciate. She gave me a lot of great recipes too, one of them being my all-time favorite smoothie recipe, so thank you, Marcy, for that. And I started taking these pills for several weeks. It was amazing how I could actually feel the difference. After working with her for 4 or 5 months, my SIBO was completely gone. I was shocked. It was amazing. And I stopped working with Marcy in November, so I went through Thanksgiving and the whole holiday season without feeling bloated and uncomfortable, which is something that has never actually happened to me. You don't realize what it's like to feel good when you've been just constantly struggling with a bad gut. It was really eye-opening, and I can honestly say I have never felt consistently this good ever in my life. So I really, really appreciate everything that Marcy and Oswald Digestive Clinic did for me. It was life-changing. Some of the things that I like the most about Oswald Digestive Clinic is obviously the staff. Ashley and Marcy are amazing. You will not find any kinder or more knowledgeable people in the world of GI ever. Ashley and Marcy are incredibly intelligent, experienced, and so kind. They truly care about their patients and everybody that they work with. The thing that I loved most about working with Marcy was the app. I could submit any question I wanted through the Healthy app to Marcy, and she would respond to me really fast, usually within a couple of hours. I would send her a question Friday night and get a response at Saturday morning, 5 a.m. It was amazing because when I was working with other doctors or the gastroenterologist, I would wait up to 3 days to try to get a response back, and it would be something not overly helpful. Marcy would give immediate feedback, and the information that she gave me would provide immediate results. Not only did Marcy help clear up my gut, she helped balance my hormones and improve my skin and my sleep quality. I really don't know how she did it, but my life is seriously a million times better. After fixing my SIBO problem, Marcy also recommended several vitamins and supplements for me to take going forward, as well as a few things to take if I have any more gut flare-ups. I've been taking them every day and I still feel awesome. I'm very confident that I will not have any future gut problems, and if I do, I feel confident that I can solve them. If not, I'll just call Marcy again. And even still, if I have any random questions, I can submit it through the Healthy app, and Marcy still answers me. They are seriously the best. Fixing my gut with Oswald Digestive Clinic was the best thing that I could have done for myself. My life is so much better now that my gut is happy all the time, and I feel much happier too. Thank you so much, Oswald Digestive Clinic, to Ashley and Marcy. You're truly the best, and I appreciate everything that you did for me. Thanks.